Mayor, for the historic story na na-share mo kanyami. And then thank you for your memories that you have shared to us. So before that, may we call on our Chief Provincial Operation Management Unit, no other than Police Lieutenant Colonel Jeffrey Gray, B. Vicente, for the introduction of our guest of honor and speaker. But before we proceed, may we do first the adoption and the reading of rites of our guest and speaker. Sir, can you please stand up? May we request our mayor May we request our Honorable Mayor Jimmy Patsana Jr. to do the ritual rites of the adoption. May we please request Honorable Mayra Lumayna to read adoption rites resolution.
Thank you, Madam Fargo. Good morning, Ashitaon again, and welcome to Mayoyao, Sir Oliver A. Enmodias. Here's the content of the resolution. Republic of the Philippines, Cordillera Administrative Region, Province of Ifugao, Municipality of Mayoyao, Office of the Sangguniang Bayan, Resolution number 116, Series of 2023. A resolution of the Sangguniang Bayan adopting Police Major General Oliver A. Enmodias, a son of the Municipality of Mayoyao, Province of Ifugao, and confer upon him the name Manodchom. Whereas the people of Mayoyao are deeply honored for having Police Major General Oliver A. Enmodias and his family in our humble town. Whereas Police Major General Oliver A. Enmodias traces its origin from Barlig Mountain Province and a graduate of the prestigious Philippine Military Academy, or PMA, Tanglao Diwa, class of 1990. He is a man of service and to the Emojojos. He is known for his loyalty, intelligence in the police work, and valorous deeds for leading his policemen to defend our beloved hometown from the attack of the New People's Army in 1991. Whereas Manodchom is an honorable leader and a warrior during his time, known to be a peacemaker, kind, accommodating, and always prepared to defend his people from injustices. Whereas the local government of Mayoyao would like our undaunted and reputable guest, Police Major General Oliver A. Enmodias, and his family to feel at home and welcome in our hometown. Now therefore, on motion, duly seconded and unanimously voted be it resolved as it is hereby done at this body, converge to adopt Police Major General Oliver A. Enmodias, a son of the Municipality of Mayoyao, Province of Ifugao, and confer upon him the name Manodchom. Resolved finally to give a copy of this resolution to Police Major General Oliver A. Enmodias during the Sentimental visit at Mayoyao, Ifugao. Adopted this 9th day of October 2023 at Mayoyao, province of Ifugao. Certified correct? Marilisa C. Coma, Acting Secretary to the Sangguniang. Attested, Clarence C. Lubwagan, Liknachan, Acting Vice Mayor. Approved by Honorable Ulysses C. Abagan, Member. Yours truly. Eugene P. Limang, Jupiter Hedsugan, Peter Pinanggan, Sammy C. Changagan as LNB President. Michael G. Lita, SK Federation President. Jonah N. Baknihan, IPMR. And concurred by our Municipal Mayor, Jimmy B. Padchanan Jr.
Awarding of the spear. The spear, in Ifugao terms, kajang, has been used throughout human history as a tool for hunting and or fishing, and as a weapon in the olden time. And we have also the inamon. Inamon is an antique bag used during the primitive time, made out of rattan, used by the Igorots in the ancient time in hunting, where they put hunted wild animals and the other tools for hunting. But this time, sir, we're giving you this for you to safekeep or to put your secret matters and things like your millions, your checks, ATMs, for the good lucks. Thank you very much, everybody. Mayoyao family will do dance in all
Oliver Enmodias. Tetaw da mapenas soko. Uy, ato madyo. Ato no, osugun si ijob tenom po. Tawon, cecet, nun amalentek. Un amun egwodyo. Un amapep pen jagor. Taw na kay ama, kami puli yu. Halaung du, man, cuma dun ahagam jahan halak du. Adun, tamang si pohudip pam, otu hito od madyo. Taon tao, manah ha. Anet tak, jet si pom hosen de puble tao. Anad madyo. Hate, amin si ijob. Sinon ala ay dia manom. Anak apo tao, an emodyo. Pom hosen si pik takuan. Ala adyan. Pom hosen si pik takuan. Pamlaan, omotyokan. Pom hosen si pik takuan. An alentekan. Ergwangan an amin. Hijok ko, likay yung amok si taku. Tapuaw an amin. Yung midlun ay duwan sugan hempole hena amahin ina. Haton malahin ete te pugle tao. Yung tugo asim mautaw hininom mo. Yung mapabangad si huim. Huijuan him umapong ete pugle tao an abmadyo. Jadi aton od sugo ayaan ng putaku. Tao maen nong. Jadi aton nong kita kikulin na goy ako. Tamo dia taan amin. Aku lanjut tak tamo dia. Join mi. Sige. Everybody will join. Tayo amin siya mo jojo.
May we request all the retired PMGIFP to staff ko to join.
Manodchom, PMGEN ENMODIAS, Hotte, Municipality map hot an lo chigo heo, amataku di ingkodo. Tekon apo Manodchom, tamator mo kiwe, at umod hang ipaen tay palahan si poli. Tam tuli aton ang tamodo dugoni.
Thank you, sir.
Uli ko harap ko.
Hey!